Hello friends, welcome back. I told you guys Friday that I was expecting my new Gina magnetic platform Saturday, and that I promised you a very quick unboxing and just show you real quick how it all comes together. Are you ready? I hope so, because it has been so hard to sit on this, right? And not do anything with it. So yeah. Now, did I get all the tape? There was more tape than I thought. Yeah, maybe not. Let's go ahead and get all that. Now I can make sure I'm not getting into anything as I cut this. Make sure I'm all right. Well, we got brown paper over it. I'm so excited, guys. Oh, it's every crafter's dream, every card maker's dream to have. Oh, I got a free no, I ordered that stencil. That's what it is. Yes, I did. I ordered, whoops, and I hit the camera. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited, guys. Let me throw this box to the side. Didn't realize the the thing would be in there with the actual amount I paid. But I actually prefer that, because I actually file all of my invoices from people I do business with. And if they don't always have the price already on there, then I have to go back and look it up. So, all right. What do you think? Oh my. Oh my. Take this out of the way. Let's turn this back over. So, the B plate is a clear cutting plate, and you'll only need one. Here is the C plate, which is the cutting mat. Okay, but it has a magnet on the back side, and it's not going to warp. You know why it's not going to warp? Because solid magnet on this platform. Solid. No little circles where the dies can jump up under the surface. Yeah, we all know which one I'm talking about, so I'm not going to say the name out loud. And this just, like, it grips. Look at this. It grips so well. Okay. I do have a couple of things I wanted to die cut real quick with you on screen. I need a prayer card. I'm out. Like, I'm totally out. So, in preparation for that, mind camera, I am. So what I have, one of the things we're going to die cut is from Pink Fresh Studio. This is a cover plate die. It's called Stitched Diamonds. So we're going to take this out and get this ready to die cut. What did I do with my little clear plate? Did I throw it somewhere? There it is. So let's do this. I just want to kind of center that in there. Okay. And I am going to lay that in. Oh, look. Look how well it's holding it. Look. Oh, isn't that awesome? Yes, it's a cover plate die, so it's got more surface area. We'll find out here in a minute how well it does with just a single outline die, because I have the word prayer I have stamped and want to die cut. Oh my heavens, guys. Oh my heavens. I love this. All right. Let me lay this back over here. Let's take this off. Take it off. Let me see. Wrong end again. Say I'm not paying attention. I like my Gina pick and stick tool. I do. Okay. Aw, isn't that pretty? Okay, I do like it. And yes, you can tell. So on one end, it's white. That's the end for your wax tip. I've never bothered to tell y'all this. And then you have the silver, which is your pokey tool end. And inevitably, I get in a hurry and I don't pay attention. I can't imagine. All right. I love it. Love, love, love it. All right, let's see how it does with the prayer die. And I've got it here somewhere. I hid it from myself. And I think my tape is probably too used and it's not going to hold. Let me grab another little piece. However, I am going to run it on the back of my hand first. You may be wondering why I'm die cutting out of a die cut. Well, there's a reason for that. I don't know how I did it, but somehow, some way, after I die cut that, can you see that dent? I put a dent in it, and I don't know if it's showing up on camera. Very noticeable in person. And it's like, well, poop. Yes, maybe one day I could cover it up with the die cut or something, but guys, I avoid having too many unwanted die cuts laying around because the problem is they never get used. They just don't. They do not get used. And see, I'm holding that and I really don't have to. It's habit. Okay. Let's get this out. Oh, and see what we have. Here we go. All right, I'm paying attention this time. I'm getting the right end the first time. And there we go. All right, I think that was all the die cutting I had to do on screen, but I just wanted you guys to see it in action. Okay, so here's my prayers. I use an acrylic block. I didn't use my Misty, and I should have, because honestly, if I had had my way, I would have double stamped that. I don't think that is near as vivid black as I need or want, but that's okay. So what do you guys think? Is that interesting? Now, if you want to see her demonstration of it, it was her July release video. There's a lot going on in that video. You'll just have to scrub forward until you get to the part where she's revealing it and telling you how to use it. And oh, I am so happy. I am ecstatic. Poor Stampin' Up! They tried 2 or 3 times to give us a magnetic platform. And either the manufacturers promised more than they could deliver. I'm not real sure what the issue was. Prayers. So, this is a set that I'm using on my card. It's from Waffle Flower. It is called Oversized Prayers. Nope. Yes, Oversized Prayers. So you have a big prayer and you have a little one. And so I just simply stamped and wanted to die cut out the little one. Do you see how thick this is? I'm loving it. So I have my little dies right back here. And I'm going to drop this back down in there if I can get a hold of it off of this mat. There we go. I love this. I mean, I'm just going to keep my Waffle Flower together just like it came to me, because this is uber thick plastic, and a lot of you probably know that. And then I have this thick divider where I can put my dies in the back and the stamp set in the front, and that was a stamp that I used right there. But I love this set. I mean, it is just extremely flexible, and all the mix and matching that you can do. I love this cover plate die. I think that is beautiful. And that was from Pink Fresh. And I have a piece of black cardstock that's got a little bit of something on it, but that's okay because we're going to cover it up. I also have a traditional 8.5 by 5.5 card base, scored at 4 1/4. This is going to be a landscape card. Oh, I do have one more thing to die cut. Okay, see, I got ahead of myself, so I do have one more thing. Yeah, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Do you see that shimmer? That is Hero Arts wax paste and the white. And when it dries, it is so shimmery and pretty. I've been playing with it a little bit today. Little bit. Okay, got that down. Oh, I swear just as soon as I did that, it shifted. Alright, I was not prepared to do a video like right now. So let's see if I can keep that from shifting as I put this down, and I'm still crooked. Alright, that's fine. Let me go this way. This is how I'm used to doing it anyway. Alright, now, better. No, it's not. I'm thinking I may have cut that crooked. Do y'all ever get in a hurry and cut something crooked? Because it's straight here. A little wonky down here, but that's alright. Onward and upward. Now, for this, because of all the holes, and I know what's going to happen if I try to put liquid glue on there. So I'm just going to put some Gina K tape runner. This is really good tape runner, guys. Yes, it's repositionable up to a point. But then once it does take hold, oh my word, does it take hold. It is super strong. Thermoweb makes Gina K's tape runner, and they make excellent products. So there we go. I've got that on there, and I do have one more thing to die cut. Hang in there with me. This was just an unboxing video. However, okay, come on. Put that in. Alright, one more die cut. And here's my image that I colored earlier with alcohol markers. Not my best coloring ever. It's not. I think I had issue with one of my alcohol markers because the color, I don't know, it was coming out grayish when I started coloring with it, so I don't know what was up with that. Oh, I don't want the stamp. I want the die, which I had right here. There it is. So let's see, which way do I want this? Well, I threw it up there just right, and look, it's just sucking right down on there. I'm not even going to use any tape. Obviously, if it's a good magnetic platform, a lot of times you won't need tape. Oh my heavens, and let's get this going. Now the stamp set that I use is from Hero Arts. It just kind of shot out the other side. Alright, let me get my die back over here and take that off. I love this. And this is not, it is not ever going to warp because you have solid magnet here, you have solid magnet here, and them two coming together as firmly as they do, what's to warp? So, let me lift my flaps and try to get it off of that silicone mat. I probably should. I've been doing stuff where I needed to get out one of my older mats, so forgive me for not thinking about putting that away. Okay, but the name of the stamp and dies I just used was Wild Columbine Bundle. And it's only that one die that you just saw. But here is the actual stamp set. Hold on, guys. I accidentally reached in here to get this. Did not mean to. Let me see if I can get that kind of sort of back in there. Right. There we go. It bugs me when they're off kilter. But you have Grateful, Hello Friend. Happy birthday to you, just for you, thank you, and with deepest sympathy. Does that not cover just about every base? Does it not? And that's a really pretty floral piece there. Alright, let me get back out where we were going. And here is my flower. And I'm not sure how I want to arrange it. Here is my prayers. And I also heat embossed on black cardstock with white heat embossing with love and prayers. And I don't know if I want to use this or if I just want to leave it with the prayers. I think I just want to leave it with the prayers. So let's just go ahead and glue this down real quick, and I'm going to let y'all go because honestly, this was all about unboxing that. And I got to thinking about it, and I thought, well, unboxing is one thing, but you need to kind of see it, you know, in person as to what it's going to do. And postage just went up again. Oh, heavens to Betsy. Guys, I don't know what we're going to do. But as for me, there are going to be times I will forego having any bling that's kind of thick or any dimensionals that wants to raise things up. So just for a quick, I just needed a quick prayers card, guys. And it, you know, it didn't take me but a couple of minutes to color that image, you know, and just die cut this stuff out and pop it together. So, guys, y'all have a great week. I will have a video up for you Friday. In the meantime, y'all take care and be blessed. Prayers for anyone who's struggling for whatever reason, whether it's health, loss of a fur baby, family problems, financial problems, whatever, y'all are in my prayers. And I will see you Friday. Bye, guys.